In this lesson, we are going to learn about the transition metals. The transition metals occupy the area between column number 3 and column number 12 in the periodic table. Some famous examples of transition metals are iron, Fe, cobalt, Co, nickel, Ni, copper, Cu, zinc, Zn, silver, Ag, and gold, Au, among many others. The transition metals have all the usual properties that we expect of a metal. They're good conductors of heat and electricity, they have high melting points, they have high density, they are malleable, which means that they can be hammered into shapes, sonorous, they make a ringing sound when struck with a hard object, and they are ductile, they can be drawn out into wires, like copper wires, for example. They are shiny if they are not tarnished. Now, what about the chemical properties of the transition metals? They are actually much less reactive than the metals in group number 1, which are alkali metals, or group number 2, which are alkaline earth metals. Iron rusts quite slowly, and precious metals such as gold resist any attack by water or air because they are less reactive than metals of group number 1 and 2. Iron does react quickly in pure oxygen to form iron trioxide, as you see in this equation. It will also react with steam, forming an oxide and releasing hydrogen. However, it reacts slowly with dilute acid. Let's answer two questions about the formula of compounds made by transition metals. What's the formula of iron 2 chloride? Excellent, FeCl2. Because it's Fe2 plus, because it's iron 2 chloride. So 2 indicates that it's Fe2 plus and not Fe3 plus. Chloride is Cl minus, so applying crisscross method, we get FeCl2. What's the formula of iron 3 sulfate? That is correct, Fe2SO4 3. Why is that? Sulfate is SO4 2 minus. Iron 3 means that in this case it's Fe3 plus. By applying crisscross method, the formula is Fe2SO4 3.